In modern technology infrastructures, you can have dozens of domains and hundreds of microservices connected to them. This structure becomes more and more complex, and when an incident occurs, the question on our engineers' minds is always the same. Which of my endpoints were affected, and as a result, which microservice chains were impacted? And that's precisely why we developed the Parny domain tree. The Parny domain tree is a solution that lets you map your entire domain structure and its connected microservices in real time on a single screen, and through anomaly detection, you get real-time notifications about any problems. So how does the Parny domain tree work? Let's take a look. Let's say I have an API. In fact, this is a root domain, api.acme.com. Users connect through it, and I provide services from here. I have microservices connected to it. What should they be? For example, let's have an authentication service, a config service, and also a user microservice. Of course, behind these, we have some services that support these microservices. Let's say we have an A service here, and a B service here. Actually, thanks to Parny's AI native approach and its real-time anomaly detection, I can pinpoint where an anomaly occurred in the structure, identify it, and see which microservice and which domain were affected, all on a single screen in Parny. For example, let's say our anomaly detection found a problem with our B service. Parny detected this. It sent you a notification through its on-call and incident management feature. And as a result, your authentication microservice has now started to experience a service interruption. Or, in other words, it's no longer functioning correctly. And as a result, bpi.acme.com also started to be affected. In Parny, we actually show the affected node in red and the services connected to it in orange. And at the same time, when these services recover, we turn them green again, just like this. Your uptime percentage changes accordingly. So what have we accomplished here? We've essentially created a status page, and on a single screen, you've mapped out all the microservices connected to your entire domain structure. And through that status page, you can accurately display your uptime rates to your users. To use the domain tree for free, you can sign up at parny.io. Or if you'd like us to give you a demo, you can reach us at hello@parny.io.